Hi, great that you're back. Today I'd like to show you the power bank I take with me when I'm, you know, outside with my Insta360. It gives me a little bit more room if my batteries are empty. I can charge stuff and the batteries. This one is from Moxnice, a power bank, which is a very nice company. They have lots of different power banks. This is very small, as you can see. Let me compare it to the Insta. Just let me get the Insta. It's not much bigger than my Insta360, as you can see. So it's very small. It has 1200 milliamperes ampere meter, so it actually could charge your Insta batteries at least 9 times. So that gives you lots of power. And what I do like, it has several plug-ins. It has a regular USB, it has a micro USB, and it has USB-C. You can charge different devices at the simultaneously. And what I liked very much, and what was one of the reasons why I bought this one, not just the small size and the big power, it also has a built-in flashlight. So if I hold the on-off button about for 3 seconds, you can see I have a nice flashlight, LED flashlight, which works up to 70 hours. Of course, then the battery pack is empty, but you can do light painting with it. You can search for stuff with it in the dark, of course, and you have always a nice flashlight with you, which I think is a pretty handy thing with this power bank. It has these indicators here, which shows you when it's 100% full, or 75, 50, 25, and then you should charge it again. So this is a small, nice little power bank made by Moxnice, not much bigger than my Insta, and fits in every pocket, gives you lots of time to charge things, not even the camera, but also your phone or your tablet or whatever needs to be recharged. Have a look at it. I like this power bank. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and otherwise I see you next time. Bye bye.